Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT8 Pro Dream Edition, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer and go to your contact list. Now find the contact which you'd like to block and then tap on it, and here scroll all the way down to find block numbers. Now your device is informing you that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number, so just tap on block, and as you can see right here we've got this characteristic icon, which means that we just successfully blocked the number. Of course you can unblock it the same way, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So to open the blacklist we have to come back to the dialer and to the home section and tap on the three bars icon in the left upper corner. Now let's tap on the settings, and here tap on blocked numbers. So this is our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, the previous option worked. Here we can tap on add a phone number and enter the number manually and tap on block. And as you can see, it will be immediately added to the blacklist, and it means that we will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. Moreover, at the top we've got the option unknown, so we can block the calls from all unidentified callers just by tapping on the switcher here. You can turn it off the same way. And if you wish to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.